I like doing lemon and lime with reverse osmosis water, as well as Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we are going to unbox my doTERRA LRP or Loyalty Rewards Program order for the month of November. So I'm really excited. This is a bigger box. It's got some goodies in here. And so let's get right into it. All right. This is like Christmas in November, and then it'll be Christmas in December afterwards. There we go. All right, so we have the invoice and we have some products. So I definitely did a lot of like replenishment this month. And so we have the doTERRA Smoothing Conditioner. This is the bigger size, or the economy size here. So there it is. Boom. We'll be placing that in the bathroom. Next, we have the shampoo as well. So, open that up. So here's the shampoo, the economy size. Boom. Next, we have one of the V-Shakes. So this is the protein powder from doTERRA. This supports your energy, digestion, and weight management with plant-based proteins. You can see the protein, no sugar, the fiber, carbohydrates, healthy fats. And there we go. I use this in my green smoothies and love it. You can also use this in oatmeal too. All right, let's continue. I'm also going to cover in the description below what products I got for free this month, because I did use a decent amount of points, and so you'll see that. But otherwise, here's some products I got. This is the non-scented hand and body lotion that doTERRA offers. You can add essential oils from doTERRA to this to scent it up, also add some aromatherapy. Otherwise, a great way to moisturize your skin after you shower, or to just, moisturize your hands and things like that so they don't crack. So I love these. I got two, one for each bathroom. There you go. Next, Fractionated Coconut Oil, one of my favorite products from doTERRA. Non-scented, non-greasy, helps the essential oils absorb better into your skin, reduces the chance of irritation from the essential oils, and this is a great just moisturizer. This is my lotion kind of replacement in general, but I use it because, again, it's non-greasy, absorbs really quickly, and I just use it after I shower on my head and my body. And so, sometimes when you put any type of lotion or even organic and raw coconut oil on your skin after you shower, or just in general, it kind of leaves a little bit of a greasiness to it. This doesn't do that. This absorbs really quickly and moisturizes and replenishes the moisture in your skin really well. I mean, this is, again, one of my favorite products. So my skin feels supported, hydrated, doesn't crack after I use this every day. So I use it. It's amazing. All right. So I have basically like one and then a backup one. And then we got the Douglas Fir and Greek Orange deodorant. There we go. All right. This is good stuff here. Smells of orange and pine. Haha. There we go. So this is a gentle formula, so it doesn't cause any irritation. You can see here what it's made out of. Right there. And there you go. Great. Next we have the TerraZyme. So this is digestive enzymes that help break down carbs, fats, sugars, proteins, fibers. You can see all of the digestive enzymes. This is very necessary since the standard American diet cooks food, overprocesses it, and these enzymes are missing. And so it just makes your body work harder than it needs to. And you can see the Tummy Tamer blend is in here too to support your digestion. So this is very important. I take one of these if my meal is 1/3 cooked, two of these if my meal is 2/3 cooked, and three of these if my meal is completely cooked. Everyone needs this in their life. Even if you eat healthy, you still need digestive enzymes with cooked foods so your body doesn't have to work as hard. Right, there we go. And then we have the Pediasis, which are probiotics. These support your immune system as well, and these support your digestion. You can see here the healthy microorganisms here, as well as a prebiotic to keep them alive, and that's their food source. Really great to have. The standard American diet is missing these as well. And so this is, whoa, hello. These are very important to have as a part of your daily lifestyle, which is what I do, okay? Next, we have the Lifelong Vitality Pack. This is the vegan version, since I'm vegan. Been so since 2014. Definitely a big proponent of whole food, plant-based solutions, foods, supplements, all that good stuff. This is the Vegan Microplex VMZ Food Nutrient Complex. This fills in the gap from what you don't get from your food, even if you eat healthy. That's right, soils are depleted due to the industrialized agriculture industry, so it's very important that we supplement. And you can see here, there's just whole food, multivitamins and minerals, as well as a proprietary whole food blend, as well as active enzyme blend and tummy tamer blend. So a lot of digestive support, cellular support, and very important as a part of a daily lifestyle, a daily wellness lifestyle. There we go. Next of these three amigos is the VE Omega. So this is the essential oil omega complex. Omegas 3, 6, and 9. You can see here we have vitamins, omega blend, carotenoid blend, and then essential oil blend. 9 different essential oils to support you on a cellular level, to support your brain, your joints, your muscles. Very important. This is also missing in the standard American diet. You'll see a trend with my doTERRA LRP order is it's filling in the gap from what the standard American diet is missing, as well as from what people think they do, eat healthy, because healthy is a very subjective term. And so it's important to fill in the gaps from what we're missing, so there's no deficiencies. There you go. Next and last, oh yeah, it's a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you don't have more vitality and energy after taking these, and you get a full refund. No risk. There we go. And then we have the Alpha CRS Plus Cellular Vitality Complex. Energy in the bottle, without caffeine, without sugar. It does so through natural plant-based botanicals and extracts. There's a cellular longevity blend, a cellular energy blend, tummy tamer blend, again focusing on digestion, focusing on supporting the mitochondrial function of your cells, which are like the little engines of your cells. So you're giving them what they need to give you energy naturally and from a cellular level. That's what I'm talking about. All right, so next we have the oils. You're like, dang, where are the oils at for this month? Well, there's oils in the products, but then the individual oils are right here. So, okay. So this is the product of the month, white grapefruit. White grapefruit. I'm actually gonna open this up right now because I want to smell this. Oh yeah, let's smell it here. Ooh. Smells just like grapefruit. All right, well there you go. I'm gonna use this in my smoothies as well as a part of my skincare regimen and to clean my hands. So this has multi-purpose with doTERRA, and there's supplement facts there, so it can be taken internally. That's the main way to tell. And so there you go. Citrus X Paradisi. Oh yeah, that's the technical term. Okay, so let's continue opening up stuff. Lemon, ran out. I use this in my smoothies, clean my hands, clean surfaces. So amazing. Probably need more. They've run out so much. Wild orange, very similar in cleansing ability, detoxification. I put it in my green smoothies. And then we have lastly, oh my goodness, this one's wrapped up. Is this lime? I think it is. Yeah, citrus time. I like doing lemon and lime with reverse osmosis water, as well as I have an organic fulvic and humic acid based trace minerals, apple cider vinegar that's raw and organic, and a glass bottle. You want to use stainless steel or ceramic mugs when using citrus oils. I like these. This is a good combination. So we got the wild orange right there too. And then that's everything from this month's doTERRA LRP. And again, all of this is a great way to just support your wellness lifestyle, to help you be proactive with wellness solutions so you're not being reactive and waiting until something bad happens. I am doing things on a daily basis to make sure that my health is taken care of, and that includes mental health, physical health, emotional health, spiritual health, even financial health, because all of this is saving me money and it's helping me on a cellular level to support my immune system, my digestion, my mind, my mood, my joints, my muscles. So many different areas are being supported with all these products, and that's the amazing part of all this, and that's why I use this every month, and it's really just improved my quality of life, and that's the main goal is to live better, longer, and definitely am able to do so with these doTERRA products. And that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did. Share this video with somebody that would benefit from it. And most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn-ons. You can see what products I got for free exactly. I kind of break that down. And so you can continue to watch more videos of mine. Other than that, I will see you in the next video.